Hi, this is Anirban. Welcome to my channel once again. I hope everybody is doing fine. So today's video I'm making on the sectors and industries people should focus on after this COVID-19 crisis. So if you like my video, then please go to my channel, subscribe, like and share as much as you can. So let me start with my points. Number one, government and public sector. The people, those who are going to start their career, so I will suggest them, get yourself prepared for different government jobs. Go and give your best, get yourself selected. Even there are many public sector companies like ONGC, like GAIL, NAPCO, many public sector banks are there. So you have to give your best over there and get yourself selected. It is a very good option for you. You will be having a secured life ahead. Number two, e-commerce industry. E-commerce industry, those who are planning to go for e-commerce industry, already I'll give you a thumbs up, because already it's been having a impact on our life. But I believe after this COVID-19 crisis, it will have much more impact. So companies like Amazon, Google, then Facebook, they are already doing great. But even there are many startups, those who are doing really well. And if you people want to go for, such companies, I'll say you that it will be a great choice for you. Number three, manufacturing industry. After this lockdown will be over, many companies will come and invest in India. So manufacturing is going to be a great future for India, and if it will have a great impact in Indian economy as well. So people, those who are planning for going to manufacturing industries, it will be a great choice as well. So I will suggest you can get yourself involved in companies, those who are developing pharma products. So that will be a great career for you. Number four, financial sector, banking, insurance, etc. Banking, already like during this lockdown, it was been announced as an emergency service. So it was not having that much of impact in its business. It was going along its regular workflow. So banking is a great choice. Private banks, you can apply for many private banks. There are many options in India. And insurance, I believe after this lockdown, people will be much more concerned about themselves and about their family. What will happen to their family in their absence? So even people will start calculating their human life value, and they will start investing on insurance. So the guys, those who wants to go for insurance industry, that will also be a great future for you. So these are the four options. These are the four suggestions I can say that I can tell it to you. Once again, I am repeating the same. Number one, government and public sector. Number two, e-commerce industry. Number three, manufacturing industry. Number four, financial sector. So this was this video all about. If you like it, please go to my channel, subscribe, like and share as much as you can. This was Anirban Nath signing off for today. Hope you have a great future ahead. Best of luck.